guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous rubber band updo crochet method, but no cornrows and no braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, my rubber bands, and this BOHO hippie lock crochet hair. This is 20 inches, and I'm going to count how many strands come in one pack, and it has about 23 strands in there, sis. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to take a scrunchie and secure the remaining of the hair in the back, okay? So you gotta make sure that hair is nice and secure. Make sure it is not too tight that you're gonna feel like you have a headache or anything like that. Once I do that, I'm just going to start sectioning the hair in the front. Take my shine and jam, make sure the line is really nice and clean and crisp or whatever. And then once I do that, I'm just gonna take another scrunchie and secure the rest of the hair away. I'm going to take my rat tail comb again and then section the hair into two. So the first box is going to have two sections. So I'm going to section one box at a time, and then I'm going to take my hair clip and hold the rest of the hair away. And then I'm just going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair just to make sure it is really nice and clean and juicy. And then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure it. So I'm going to secure about 3, 4, 5 times, not too tight that I'm about to break my natural hair or give myself a headache or anything like that. I'm just going to section the hair into two, give it a little tug, that way it is nice and snug on the bottom. Just gonna take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply to the remaining of my natural hair, section the hair into two, and then twist it all the way down. And then once I twist it all the way down, I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did with the first box. So I'm going to take my shine and jam, apply it to that little section, and then section the hair into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, exactly the way I'm doing, a piggyback or whatever you want to call it, and then using another rubber band to secure it. As you guys are securing, just make sure you're holding the first little strand that is going to the second section really nice and tight. Once I secure the hair on the second section, I'm going to section it into two and then just give it a little tug again. I'm going to use my shine and jam for the second section again. I'm just going to twist it all the way down. That way, when I put it together with the hair in the back, it does not give me any kind of trouble, sis. Okay, once I'm done with the first section, the two boxes, I'm going to go ahead and start the second box. So I'm just going to section it again and then take my shine and jam, make sure the line is really nice and clean and crisp or whatever. So what you're going to do is you're just going to try to make the boxes as symmetrical as possible. Okay, so you're just going to eyeball it once you're sectioning the hair out. So I'm going to section the hair out and then take my shine and jam, make sure the line is really nice and clean, and then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair away. And then I'm just going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the hair just to make sure it is really nice and clean and juicy, and then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure it. So I'm going to secure about 3, 4, 5 times, that way it is nice and secure, not too tight that I'm about to break my natural hair or give myself a headache or anything like that, but just snug enough that you know I'm about to be looking cute out in the streets or whatever, period. I'm just going to go ahead and do the second box. So I'm going to do the same exact technique, taking my shine and jam, applying it to the hair, and then sectioning the hair into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, and then using my rubber band to secure it. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to section the hair into two and then give it a little tug, and then I'm just going to twist it all the way down. You don't have to sleek down the last section, sis, okay? Anyway, so we're going to do the third section. So I wanted to show you on the middle part, I'm going to section the hair into 3. You are just going to do whatever you want to do with the middle section right here, okay? And then I'm going to take my scrunchie and hold the rest of the hair away, okay? So I'm just gonna go in between the first section, guys. So I'm just gonna section that out. And then I'm just going to take my Shine and Jam, apply it to the hair just to make sure it is really nice and clean and juicy. And then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure it. So I'm going to secure about 3, 4, 5 times. That way it is nice and secure. I'm just going to section the hair into 2, give it a little tug. That way it is nice and snug on the bottom. Once I do that, I'm just going to take a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, apply it to the remaining of my natural hair, and then twist it all the way down. Going to go to the second section, so I'm going to section that second section, and then I'm going to use my Shine and Jam, apply it to the hair, section the hair into 2, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, and then using my rubber band to secure it. While I was still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out, you already know it is going to every one of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, let's get to 1 million subscribers, baby, because at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring, sis. You don't want to be greedy and just be looking cute by yourself, sis, okay? And I'm gonna do the same exact technique. I have 2 sections on the sides, and then 1 section in the middle, and another 2 sections on the sides. The first section has 2 boxes, the second section has 2 boxes, the third section has 3 boxes, the fourth section has 2 boxes, and the fifth section has another 2 boxes. You know, we are about to be cute in the streets. And I just wanted to show you guys this technique right here because I did not want to complicate things. I just wanted to make sure this is easy for my beginners, okay? For anybody who's never done hair and you just want to look cute on Valentine's Day, or you want your daughter to look cute, your mama, your aunt, your sister, your bestie, anybody, you can actually do this style on anyone. And I actually love it. I really do, okay? So you guys are like, okay, so what we're gonna do with the little strands that are remaining from the boxes? I'm going to take a bobby pin and just secure that in place, okay? So I'm just going to secure it with the hair in the back, exactly the way I'm doing. So I'm going to do that on all the strands that are remaining from the sections, okay? So let's get to the crochet now. So people are like, Tupo, you're not going to braid? I mean, this is for my sisters who cannot braid, who cannot cornrow. I'm just gonna do this basic crochet method on my natural hair. So no cornrows, no braid, sis. When I tell you this style right here took me 45 minutes and I was done, okay? So I'm going to be using this basic crochet needle. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to open the crochet needle and then place it in, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once I pull it out, I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. I'm going to go through the crochet again, okay? And then I'm going to go all the way to the corner, wherever you have the curly hair end, and then place that on the hook and pull it out. So once you pull it out, you know, you're just gonna pull it all the way through, exactly the way I'm doing, and then make sure you're securing it really nice and tight. And that's about it. But don't pull too much, because you know you don't have braids underneath this, because you're just crocheting straight on your natural hair, okay? So just make sure you're nice and gentle, and that's about it, sis. And when I tell you this is easy, when it's time to undo this, it is the easiest thing that you have ever seen or done, sis. I mean, and once you're done, you're just gonna be like, oh, sis, I am done. I'm just gonna take these rubber bands out, and that's about it, baby. When I tell you this is cute, this is easy, this is beginner friendly, anybody can actually do this. So I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you pull it out, you're going to go all the way to the end of the curly hair. That way you want to take the lock and the curly hair together, because you do not want to pull one in and then one is left out. It's going to be a whole lot of mess, okay? All right, so once you get to the top right there, you just want to make sure you're coming very close together. That way it does not show. That way it looks like you actually have individual locks in your hair, sis. Make sure you're going very close to where you have the little boxes, and make sure you're hiding every natural hair possible, okay? That way, you know, it looks legit. It looks like you have individual locks in your hair. Sis, That's the whole point right there. And as I told you guys, I used about 2.5 packs for this whole look, and it came all the way through. All right, guys, so once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure I lay these baby hairs using the brush that I got from where? Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm just gonna make sure my baby hairs are nice and laid. And you already know I gotta make sure I use this scarf. So this is one of our scarves, and I'll have the link down below. Make sure you check us out, sis. We have this website, and we just restocked some other scarves, sis. You better make sure you go ahead and check us out and buy a scarf or two. Support the system. And baby, when I tell you this rubber band crochet hairstyle came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this rubber band hairstyle. I am living for the no cornrows, no braids kind of situation. I am living for the easy peasy lemon squeezy hairstyle. I am living for this beautiful, beautiful look. Oh my gosh, I am feeling myself right about now, sis. Nobody's gonna know that you don't have any cornrows or braids underneath this style right here, because baby, all they're gonna see is you just came all the way what? Through. Yes! Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know in the comments below if this is a hot style or whatever. Because baby, I am feeling myself right about now. Okay? And that's on who? Period. And you already know I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we are. I'm just gonna add this gold accessories on the middle part right there. And baby, when I tell you, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys are going to be rocking this on Valentine's Day, V-Day. Hey. Anyway, but you already know I gotta give you an option on how you can rock this. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can wear this into a little bun kind of situation, okay? So I'm just gonna pull out the little hairs on the sides. I'm just gonna go around and make this into a bun as simple as ABC, and then use my bobby pin to secure it. And baby, let me tell you something about this little bun action situation going on. I am living for it. I am loving it. I love how it came out. Oh my gosh. I am so in love with this style, sis. You already know when my voice is this hyper. It means what? It means the style is easy peasy lemon squeezy, and we're just out here thriving. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 1 million subscribers, because baby, at this point it is up from here. But make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.